Hi everyone, my name is Ayomide. I'm one of the trainees on Star Ed Tech UI and UX Design. I just want to give my review about the training. Well, I would say it is 100% educative. It is 100% interactive. Though it's an online class, but I really gain a lot. And I want to say a very big thank you to them, at least for allowing me to do things on my own. I never knew I'll be able to design. At least I'll be able to do things 80%. I'm sure that whenever I see things outside, whenever I see a design, I'll be able to do it on my own. I want to say a very big thank you to them. A very big thank you. At least when I get back to school, I'll be able to do things, I'll be able to design on my own without any help. So a very big thank you. And I would advise you guys, please and please, if you are looking for a graphics design, a UX design, don't hesitate to give them a call. They are the best. They are ready to give you a good job, 100%. They are ready to give you a very good job. Star Ed, I will say a very big thank you to you. Thank you guys for allowing me to achieve my goals. God bless you.